Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart 7-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker and warmer. Instant Pot Duo Mini, the ideal companion to the Instant Pot Duo, the number #1 selling multi-cooker, combines 7 kitchen appliances in one: rice cooker, pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker and warmer. Perfect for smaller families or to make a small dish for two, side dish or while traveling, such as camping, traveling by RV, boating, sailing, hotel excursions. Cooks up to 12 cups of rice, cooked, 6 cups of rice, uncooked. Features 11 smart programmable digital controls: rice, soup / broth, meat / stew, bean / chili, sauté, porridge, steam, slow cook, yogurt, keep warm, and pressure cook. Note: the Instant Pot Duo Mini max capacity is 6 cups uncooked rice, 12 cups cooked. Please use the rice measuring cup that comes with the Duo Mini. Up to 24-hour delay start, automatic keep warm up to 10 hours, and sound on / off 10 safety mechanisms, UL and ULC certified. Stainless steel, 18/8, in a cooking pot, food grade 304, no chemical coating, 3-ply bottom, dishwasher safe. Accessories include rice measuring cup, stainless steel steam rack without handles, rice paddle, soup spoon, condensation collector and recipe booklet. To maximize performance of cooker, only use genuine Instant Pot accessories.
Thanks for watching my video and subscribe my channel for more update.